Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is a holiday celebrated predominantly in North America, and it possesses a different meaning in each of the countries where it's acknowledged. In the United States, Thanksgiving is a federal holiday meaning all government employees and most private employees are given a day off of work and always takes places on the fourth Thursday in November, regardless of the date. The holiday signifies the immense progress made by pilgrims, or some of the first travelers to North America, at Plymouth Plantation circa 1621. It was at this time that the hungry and weary pilgrims were taught, by Native Americans, how to grow and produce food on North America's unique terrain. Once they'd grown and caught an abundance of food, the pilgrims were expectedly thankful, and they celebrated alongside the Native Americans who provided them with such valuable assistance. President Abraham Lincoln initiated the contemporary practice of Thanksgiving by calling for a day of Thanksgiving during one of his Civil War addresses. In America today, Thanksgiving remains firmly ingrained in its historical roots and is widely considered to be a day for giving thanks for good food, good times, and family. Thanksgiving dinner generally consists of turkey, mashed potatoes, stuffing, vegetables, gravy, and ample desserts. To be sure, indulging in abundance is a cornerstone of the holiday, as doing so could only be possible if one possesses abundance. Did you understand the text? It's time to answer the questions.